Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is about creating apps in Photon account and linking the app IDs into our Unity projects. So this will be helpful for the beginners who have started working on Photon Unity networking. Just go into this link. I'll leave this link in the description. After going, if you don't have an account already, just create one. Just put your email address here and click on register, and you'll get some information to your mail ID on how to create an account with it. So I already have account. I'm just going to log into it. Just tick this captcha and sign in. So after signing in, if you are not on this page, you can just click on account icon and go to your applications. And if you don't have any applications created yet, this page will be empty, and if you want to create it, you can just click on create new apps and choose whatever networking protocol that you need. The common protocol that is used for multiplayer is PHOTON, and give some name for it and hit create. And if we come down, so here it is, we just created the app, that is Pun app, and the app ID for this is here, app ID. Just click on this once and copy it. Now let's set up this app ID in our Unity project. If you want the Photon networking functionality for a specific project, you can just open the project, and in that project you can open the asset store window. You can search for PHOTON free, so this comes up and you can just download it. I'm just clicking import. Based on your interest, you can have the demo projects included during the import, or you can just mark it away. I'm just going to remove those demos and I'll just import it. And after the import is successful, this window will be automatically opened. Just close the asset store. Now here it's asking for the app ID, so we have already copied the app ID and we'll just paste it into this and hit setup project. So everything is done, the project is set up. You can just close this. You can also change your Photon settings. Just go into Photon Unity networking and resources folder, click on Photon server settings, and you can see here there are some bunch of settings that you can play with. So if you want to change your app ID, just go into settings and paste your new app ID into this app ID real time and save the project. And that's it. That was a simple setup for Photon Unity networking project. And also, if you want to check my video on how to spawn multiple players into Photon network, you can just click on the link in the description. Soon I'll also be posting a video as an update to my previous project, and it will be based on raycasting in Photon network. And if you like this video, leave a like and comment down below in the comment section. Also share this video with your friends and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that every time I upload a video you get notified by it. So that's it. See you in my next video. Peace.